4-star signature quilt, 1849 to 1851, 91 inches by 90 inches. This quilt found its way to the museum via Florida. It was purchased at an auction by the donor, and because of the writing, she knew it belonged here. It was made by members of the High Bridge Presbyterian Church in Rockbridge County for their minister, Reverend S.D. Campbell. The center block of the quilt has an inscription that allows us to know for whom the quilt was made. It reads, "To Reverend S.D. Campbell, the ladies of Highbridge, and hope he will accept this token of their regard. Farewell. Be of good comfort, and the God of love and peace shall be with you. February 7th, 1851. By researching Reverend Campbell further, we were able to discover that he continued to preach in churches in Georgia and Florida, which explains how the quilt made its way from Virginia to Florida. This quilt was brought into the collection in 1997 and was donated by Julia Wernick.